Hi everybody! Today I decided to make a pencil pouch using some of my scrap fabric, and this pencil pouch comes with a little zipper and an elastic so that you can keep it with your notebooks or Bible or journaling, whatever it is that you do. It is a super easy and beginner friendly project that you can make in just a few minutes. Now, to add extra touch to this pouch and kind of texture to the fabric, I decided to quilt the fabric using an embroidery machine. And I have a video showing you how to do end-to-end quilting on the embroidery machine. I've added the link to that video down in the description. Now, this is a fun and quick project that you can make if you have to come up with a last minute gift. I've added down in the description any of the information that you may need to complete this project. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So we have our two pieces that have been quilted, and again, they're 5x7 or 5.5 by 7.5. And I have two pieces of lining. My zipper is about 8 inches long, so the length of your pouch, just an inch more. And the fold over elastic is going to be 10 inches. I'm going to make it a little bit wider than the regular pencil pouches for journaling because I want to add, I want to be able to hold in here some of my post-it notes, and other like little stickers and things like that. So those are the measurements. Let's get started. So first thing is you're going to pick one side of the exterior and one side of the lining, and you're going to cut it in half. So 2 5/8 each side. We take our zipper face down against the right side and take your lining and sandwich your zipper between the two. And stitch it in place. Make sure that everything aligns with the bottom panels. So it matches like that, okay? Make sure you pull it so that it's completely flat along the seam when you top stitch it. And both the exterior and lining are flat. Okay, and now take your lining and you're going to stitch it to this whole piece. My elastic has a right side, as you can see, so right side facing down. And I like to leave a little room on my elastic away from the raw edge. But I have to be careful, I don't want to stitch on the rhinestones. Then take your other part, the back of the pouch, and just stitch them together, making sure that everything is straight and aligns. Okay, and here's where I'm going to leave a little bit of an opening. So I'm going to start and end here. Trim the little corners, make sure that everything is even. Turn it right side out. And here it is. I can actually put in these little sticky notes that I use a lot, and I can fit like several pens and markers and highlighters, and there it is. Cute.